Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand the display and delete relation option, add relation option and fully defined sketch option in SolidWorks 2020. Now let's start with the display and delete relations options. Now for the demo purpose, I have drawn this type of sketch. This is a general randomly drawn sketch. Now in this sketch, you can see the different possible options over here. You can see I have drawn a circle, and inside that circle from this origin I have drawn different lines, and you can see this sign indicates that it is a vertical line, so it will show the vertical relationships. As you move your cursor over that relation, you can see different relations. This is horizontal relation, again this is horizontal, and here you can see the coincident means all these three lines are meeting at one point, so it is coincident point. Here also there is a coincident relation, and here this is origin, again this is a coincident relation. Now horizontal vertical, this line is tangential to this circle, so here you can see a tangent relationships. So in this way, though you can see different possible relations inside the sketch. Now here if you select this option, that is display and delete relationships, you can see the relations, all the relations inside the sketch. Now you can see dangling relationships, overdefined not solved relationships, external relationships, that is coincident, again define in context, okay. Then there is a locked relationships, you can see broken relationships and selected entities. Now if I select this entity, you can see the relations of this entity with this entity, that is this entity is horizontal, okay. If I select this and this, so you can see tangent relationship of this entity, okay. So in this way, if you select entities, then you can see particular relations only. So in this way we can see all the relations inside the sketch. You can delete these relations by using delete options and delete all options. You can delete all the relationships. If you want to delete individual, then you can just select this relationship and then select delete, again this delete. If you select delete all, then all the relations will be removed. So in this way we can delete a single relation or entire all relations inside the sketch. Now next we are going to see add relations option inside the SolidWorks 2020. Now in order to understand add relations option, okay, I have drawn a circle and a point on a circle on its periphery, and I have drawn one line. Now if I want to add relation between this line, this circle and point, you can just go and select this option. You have to select the entities. I select a circle and then I select this line. Now I can see the possible relations over here, and I want to add tangent relationship, so I added this relation. Further, I want to add I want this point to be coincident with this point, okay. So what I do, I can just select add relations, I can select this point, this line and coincident. Now click OK. Sorry, I have to select this point to be coincident with this point, okay. Now here you can see this point is now coincident with this point. Now again here it is tangent relationship, you can see. Now I have maintained both the relationships. Now again, still specifying all these dimension, this sketch is not fully defined, so I try to add dimension, okay. Suppose this circle diameter is some 600 mm, okay, and the length of this line suppose 1600 mm, okay. Again it is not fully defined. Now I try to fix one of its point. Suppose if I try to do add relation between this point and this origin, which is coincident, again it is not fully defined, because as you can see I can now rotate this sketch, okay. Now further we have to again need one more relation. So if I try to add relation between this point and this point, okay, that is vertical. Then you can see the color of the sketch turn into black, means it is now fully defined. Okay, so it is very tedious task, or sometimes we cannot identify what are the relations that we have to enter in order to fix this sketch. So for that purpose we need to use direct option, that is fully defined sketch. Now if I try to undo this previous options, then now I directly select this fully defined sketch. Now what options possible over here, that you have to you have the entities to fully define. You have to select all the entities, or you can select the selected entities. Now if you select selected entities, now then you have to select this entity and uh, the particular entities. But now I select all the entities and I will calculate. Okay, now what it is telling to me, that if you want to fix this sketch at this location, at a given location, then you have to provide the distance of this point with respect to this point, this horizontal distance. It is necessary, because once you provide this distance vertical distance is automatically fixed. Now if you provide horizontal distance, the sketch will be fixed. So in this way we can fix this sketch at a given position. But if you don't want it to be fixed in given position, then you have to add different possible relationships. Now one possibility is over here is if I want to add relation of this line to be vertical, then again we can see this sketch is fixed. So in this way we can add relations, we can display the possible relation, we can delete this relationship, we can also add relationship. We have also seen the option that is fully defined sketch. It will tell us how many relationships or how many possible dimensions that you have to you should give in order to fully define that particular sketch. So in this way we have seen display, delete relations, add relation and fully defined sketch relationship in this tutorial. And in next tutorial we are going to see repair sketch option in SolidWorks 2020. That's all. Thank you.